Being able to turn the car sharply in a short amount of time is important for negotiating tight turns and U-turns. There are two strategies for controlling the steering wheel: hand over hand and push-pull. While there are arguments for which is better, becoming proficient at one of them is key. Work with your driving instructor to determine which strategy is best to learn first. Hand over hand steering is just how it sounds. Both hands work on moving the wheel, with one hand crossing over the other to continue the turn. The hands are continually taken off the wheel and placed back on. Push-pull steering involves alternating gripping and pulling down with one hand on the steering wheel while sliding the other hand down to meet hands near the bottom of the steering wheel.